Welcome back to AK Auto USA, the channel where we explore the world's most luxurious, powerful, and extraordinary vehicles built for adventure, comfort, and innovation. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most incredible motorhomes ever imagined, the 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 double-decker motorhome. This is far more than a luxury RV. It's a rolling mansion built on one of the most capable heavy-duty platforms ever created, combining premium living with expedition-level performance. The first thing you'll notice is its incredible size. The Titan's massive double-deck body immediately dominates the road. While its towering ride height and enormous 12-wheel drive configuration make it look more like a military expedition vehicle than a traditional motorhome. Every angle has been designed to create a bold and futuristic appearance. Scania combines Scandinavian elegance with rugged engineering. The exterior features sharp body lines, reinforced panels, flush-mounted panoramic windows, premium LED lighting, aerodynamic styling, heavy-duty bumpers, and a clean white finish that gives the Titan a modern luxury appearance. Whether parked beside a luxury resort, crossing the desert, or exploring mountain trails, this motorhome attracts attention everywhere it goes. The massive dimensions are not just for appearance. Every inch of the Titan has been designed to maximize interior space while maintaining excellent stability during long-distance travel. Multiple storage compartments are integrated into the body, allowing owners to carry outdoor equipment, tools, supplies, and everything needed for extended off-grid adventures. Step inside and the atmosphere changes completely. Instead of feeling like a vehicle, the Titan feels like entering a luxury penthouse apartment. Premium soft-touch materials, elegant wood finishes, brushed aluminum accents, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows create an interior that is both modern and inviting. The main lounge serves as the heart of the motorhome. A large wraparound sofa provides seating for family and guests, while luxury reclining chairs offer exceptional comfort during long journeys. A large smart television rises from a hidden cabinet, creating the perfect entertainment area after a day of travel. Carefully designed storage compartments keep the living space organized without sacrificing style. Moving into the kitchen, it's clear that this motorhome was designed for full-time living. Premium stone countertops, high-quality cabinetry, a large induction cooktop, integrated sink, residential refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, coffee machine, and generous pantry storage provide everything needed to prepare gourmet meals anywhere in the world. Adjacent to the kitchen is a spacious dining area where passengers can comfortably enjoy meals, work remotely, or gather for meetings. Large panoramic windows surrounding the dining space provide spectacular views no matter where the Titan is parked. The private master bedroom offers the comfort of a five-star hotel suite. A full-size luxury bed with premium mattress, designer lighting, soft upholstery, spacious wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and climate-controlled comfort create a relaxing environment after long days on the road. Excellent sound insulation ensures peaceful sleep even in challenging environments. The luxury bathroom continues the premium experience. It features a spacious glass-enclosed shower, modern vanity, elegant sink, premium fixtures, smart mirror, efficient ventilation system, and a high-quality toilet system designed for extended off-grid travel. Every detail reflects comfort, practicality, and refined design. One of the biggest advantages of the double-deck layout is the additional upper level. Depending on customer specifications, this space can be configured as a second lounge, private guest bedrooms, a luxury office, a home theater, or additional sleeping accommodations, giving owners exceptional flexibility. Beneath this luxurious interior lies the engineering that truly separates the Titan from ordinary motorhomes. Power is expected to come from Scania's legendary V8 diesel engine, producing well over 700 horsepower along with enormous torque specifically designed for heavy-duty transportation. This immense power allows the Titan to confidently move its enormous weight across steep mountain roads, muddy trails, deep sand, snow-covered landscapes, and rough off-road terrain. The advanced 12x12 drivetrain distributes power to every wheel, delivering outstanding traction even in conditions where conventional RVs would quickly lose grip. Combined with heavy-duty suspension and advanced chassis engineering, the Titan remains remarkably stable despite its enormous size. Long-distance highway travel is equally impressive. Advanced transmission programming provides smooth acceleration, comfortable cruising speeds, and relaxed driving across thousands of miles. Although fuel economy isn't the primary focus, reliability, durability, and long-term performance remain key priorities. Technology throughout the Titan reflects the latest advancements in luxury transportation. The cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen, voice controls, wireless smartphone connectivity, premium navigation designed specifically for oversized vehicles, and a complete 360-degree camera system that greatly simplifies parking and maneuvering. Inside the living quarters, smart home technology allows owners to control lighting, air conditioning, heating, water systems, energy consumption, entertainment, and security through an intuitive digital interface. Everything can be managed from a central touchscreen or mobile device. For buyers planning extended adventures, the Titan is equipped with a large solar power system, high-capacity lithium battery banks, powerful inverters, fresh water storage, wastewater management systems, and intelligent energy monitoring. These systems allow occupants to remain comfortably off-grid for extended periods without depending on campground hookups. Safety receives the same level of attention as luxury. Advanced driver assistance technologies are expected to include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, electronic stability control, traction management, tire pressure monitoring, and multiple high-definition cameras that eliminate blind spots around the massive vehicle. The reinforced heavy-duty chassis provides exceptional occupant protection, while advanced fire suppression equipment, emergency exits, secure locking systems, and integrated security monitoring help protect both passengers and valuable equipment during long journeys. Naturally, a vehicle of this scale comes with a premium price tag. Industry estimates suggest the 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 double-decker motorhome could start between $2 and $3 million. Fully customized examples featuring bespoke interiors, luxury furniture, advanced technology, satellite communications, upgraded suspension, and premium entertainment systems, and expedition equipment could easily exceed that figure. Ownership extends beyond the initial purchase price. Buyers should also consider maintenance, insurance, storage, specialized servicing, fuel costs, and transportation logistics. However, customers shopping in this segment are investing in far more than transportation. They're purchasing complete freedom, unmatched capability, and one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever created. Every Titan is expected to be built to order, allowing owners to customize nearly every aspect of the vehicle. Interior layouts, furniture, premium materials, lighting themes, entertainment systems, office space, guest accommodations, exterior colors, off-road equipment, and luxury features can all be tailored to individual preferences. What truly makes the 2026 Scania Titan special is its ability to combine extreme expedition capability with genuine residential luxury. Few vehicles anywhere in the world can offer this level of comfort while remaining capable of traveling far beyond paved highways. Whether you're exploring the mountains of North America, crossing the deserts of the Middle East, traveling through the forests of Scandinavia, or embarking on a global overland expedition, the Titan delivers the confidence to travel almost anywhere without leaving luxury behind. The 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 double-decker motorhome isn't simply another luxury RV. It's a statement of engineering, innovation, and freedom that pushes the boundaries of what's possible on wheels. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to AK Auto USA, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury vehicle reviews. Let us know in the comments, if you own the Scania Titan, where would your first adventure take you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.